Hi, this is Team Cisco. My name is MEGHA.
I'm CAROLYN.
I'm Nicole.
I'm HUYNH.
And I'm Sun.
Cisco believes people, society, and planet plays an important role in creating a sustainable environment. And to help Cisco further in this direction, we have created a database that uses recycled materials and how Cisco can use recycled material and create less waste. And to address this further, I'm going to hand it over to Hannah, who has created the actual database.
For our database, we have total 15 tables that focus on employee and products. For Cisco wants its employee to contribute to protect the environment. For example, Cisco engage employee use public transportation for commute. Also, Cisco offer a lot of programs such as Recycle IT Day, Earthquake, Cisco Green, or Cisco Greenhouse. Cisco help employee engage the program and understand more about the importance of environment. Second, Cisco focus on design and produce sustainable products. For example, Cisco router, Cisco switching, cable, or Cisco wireless. These products will use less energy and material. Also, produce less air emission and dust. Next, we have Nicole to talk about ER.
Along with the report, we also prepared the ER diagram. According to the ER diagram, we have the many-to-many relationship for the resource energy and product. Because each energy gonna use more than one resource and product gonna use more than one resource of energy. For example, to manufacture the switches, the company gonna use solar power and wind power to produce the product. And another example of the many-to-many relationship is the employee and product. But this one would be the minimum of 0 and 1. Because a lot of employees gonna work on multi-product, but some of the employee gonna work on not gonna work on directly with the product because they are the people in the human resource department. Therefore, with the ER diagram, it will help us to have the big overview about the relationship for each entity, and also let us understand how each of entity work better together. And next, I'm going to pass it to Sun to talk about query.
Okay. So whenever a customer wants to buy a product that uses some alternative energy, we can sort the name of the product based on what customer wants by using the query with multiple criteria in a single attribute method. I can sort the name of the product based on that use solar or wind power only. I first select the name of the product in the product table and the resource name in the resource table and put into two separate tables. For the criteria condition fields, I simply put the name of the solar power or wind power at the condition. And as a result, the name of the product will show up that it uses only wind power or the solar power only. And finally, we pass the presentation to our final member, CAROLYN.
Hi guys, so we want to find out the names of the employees who have not manufactured a product. We would need to create a relationship between the employee and the employee product. Since the two tables are not closely related to each other, we would need to create a relationship between those two tables, and that would create some relationship. You just need to adjust the joint properties so that way the employee name is referring to the product ID, and the product ID is considered as a null attribute. Once we run the query, then the final result will give us the names of the employees who have not manufactured a product. And that pretty much wraps up our presentation. Thanks for listening.
Thank you.
Thank you.